Here we go. Boar brush, soaking for, I don't know, 3 minutes. And pretty good shake. And there's a little bit of water on the puck already. Not a lot, as you can see. And I don't want to waste time and do this for the full time, but usually I'll do this for, I don't know, anyway, as you can see, there's actually a good amount of lather on there already. And normally I would fix out of this, but just for the purpose of illustration, goes to my scuttle. A little bit of water, and that's it. Now I prefer a thinner lather because I am a straight shaver. But if you keep on whipping it up like some people do, you can get yourself a whipped cream lather, which I actually do not like. But everyone's different. And this will last at least for 3 passes, if not more. See? It's not bad. Anyway, there you go.